Good morning, everyone. Today is, what is it? January 10th. It is 9:28 in the morning. And I am trying massage cupping therapy for the very first time. So I've spent this new year really just focusing on making sure my body is taken care of, just to kind of help me relax. I'm heading into my last couple semesters of college and I'm feeling kind of stressed. So because I might have to do a post back just to get my GPA where I want it to be for medical school, to make me a competitive student. So I'm just taking care of myself today. But yeah, I don't know how much I'll be able to film in there. I've never really filmed inside of a company or asked someone to film me. So I might have her take just some before and after pictures and then talk about it with you guys. But yeah, I will see you guys soon. Hey guys, so I am on my way into work and I just wanted to update you on how that massage went. I ended at 11 and it's currently 12:18. I'm getting ready to head into work, but it was really good. I'll explain more in detail tonight, like what actually happened, but the whole thing was like phenomenal. It was almost hard for me to have a cohesive thought afterwards because I was so relaxed and just in another dimension is what it basically felt like. But I got home around 11:20 and I took a fat nap. I woke up at 12:05 and headed to work. I don't live that far away from work, so I am now here to go to work and I feel good. I kind of feel like I have a headache and my back is kind of achy from the cupping, but she said that was normal, that sometimes some patients can have a reaction to it, like it's making them sick, like where you kind of have a little bit of nausea and headaches and stuff, and that's because the fluid that is being moved around in your body and brought to the surface, but it's completely normal. It should go away. So I might just take some ibuprofen and I'm gonna drink lots of water. I will check in tonight when I get off of work and kind of give you an overall update and an experience talk, and I will insert pictures over here later tonight because I had her take some for me. So yeah, I'm gonna head on into work. See you guys later. Hey you guys, so it is currently like almost 10 p.m. I'm just getting home and I wanted to kind of chat about this cupping massage therapy. I'm gonna show you my back and what it looks like almost 12 hours later, almost on the dot since I've had this massage. I'm in pain. As of right now, I am in a little bit of pain when I do a lot of movement. So it's not the worst pain, but it's definitely like uncomfortable. But yeah, here are some pictures before and after. While I'm talking, I'm kind of just gonna place them there. But as I walked into the room, she was super welcoming. She heard that it was my first time ever getting a massage done, and she was like, I appreciate that you're just going all in, you know, you're going to cupping immediately, because cupping really does have some great benefits, such as lowering high blood pressure, relieving tension, helping with stress and anxiety, all of which I greatly struggle with as a pre-med student working 2 jobs. So I'm hoping that this becomes a regular thing and that it is beneficial for me. It is quite pricey, so of course I'm only gonna do it when I can afford it. But hopefully I will get to a point in my life someday down the road where I can afford to do this and make sure that my body is well taken care of. But yeah, I walked in, she made me feel super comfortable, explained the whole procedure, what was gonna happen, had me get completely undressed, had me under the covers, The first thing, which I absolutely love that she did, was she took hot stones and rolled them over the blanket, which was amazing. I can't even explain to you how good it felt, but it was amazing. And then she kind of just like focused on each section of my body. So she started on the, let's see, this is my left half. So if you have the vertebral column right here, the spine, she worked from the spine over on my left half for about 10-15 minutes, and then moved to the right half, and then moved back to the left, and then to the right, and did it step by step, finally ending all the cups placed on my back. And she still made sure to never let her hands like not touch my body, which was very relaxing. It made it feel like a just continuous massage, which props to her, because my arms would be aching giving people a massage like that. But then after that was done and the whole cupping process was done, it was a little bit uncomfortable as it was happening. There were some times where I wanted to like grip the bed because it hurt, but I could endure it. I wanted to endure it because I knew that benefits and the outcome of this massage. So I wanted to do it, and I kind of just sucked it up. And she was like, "You're doing so good for your very first time ever getting a massage and ever doing cupping." She was like, "Some people, it can be really painful to get cupping done." And she was like, "Even if it is painful for you right now, you're doing a really great job of handling it and sticking through the pain that comes with it." But anyways, when she finished with my back, she moved on to my thigh, my calves, and my feet on my left side, then thigh, calves, feet on my right side. Same with my arms. She worked from my shoulder down to my fingertips on the left side and shoulder down to my fingertips on the right side. And then she flipped me over and did the same thing, kind of around this collarbone and everything. It was amazing. She literally, I was expecting her to only focus on my back because I had made an appointment for a massage cupping therapy. It included a 60-minute massage with cupping. I did not know that she was going to do full body, so I actually really appreciated that. She even massaged my head, which was great. Okay, so I'm going to turn around and I'm going to show you my back and what it looks like. I actually have not seen my back, so I have no idea what it looks like, and it'll be fun reviewing this footage. Holy heck, you guys, what does that look like? I don't think it's super bad on like the bottom of my back. I don't really feel a whole lot down there. She mainly focused on like right here and up top here, which I'm sure is where most of the bruising is at, even though I can't see it. Oh my god, I can see it. Oh my goodness. 9-hour shift today, which isn't that long, but being on your feet that long after getting a massage this in-depth is a lot. But yeah, overall it was a very, very good experience, and I'm so glad I did it. I can't wait to do it again. I can't wait to see the long-term benefits of this massage. And yeah, I kind of hope you enjoyed this video, and like I like sharing little bits of my life, things that are exciting for me. I like to share them because I like to look back on them. So I really appreciate it if you are watching this video and have made it this far and listened to me ramble. I am currently in the process of redecorating my apartment. Maybe you'll get an apartment tour here soon. I haven't done one since I moved into this apartment, and I move out in 6 months, so yeah. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon.